Hello friend, let's start Spark left semi join and we will understand what is left semi join in Spark. So in Spark, left semi join is similar to inner join. Difference being left semi join returns all columns from the left data frame or data set, we can say that, and ignore all the columns from the right data set. Okay, so I have already done the code. So first I am creating a Spark session. You can see here is Spark session dot builder app name left semi join I have given, and master is local because I am running the program in a local. Now I will take employee. So this is first data set. Then I have applied on action, and then second data set I have taken from the employee one.csv. So also I have applied action here, and finally I have applied employee, then join, then this is the right data set employee 1, then I have applied condition based on name, and I have put the join type left semi, and after that I have applied action here left semi join dot show. So I am also showing your CSV files. So this is the employee CSV file. There is a name, address and salary records here, and in the right data set we have employee 1.csv. There is a name, address, salary. So I have applied condition based on name. So I'm running my program. Now our program is running here. So this logs is an internal Spark log, and here, okay, here will be the output. So first we will check the steps here. So first employee dot show. So I'm also printing here, so I will show you first employee dot csv dataset. This is the employee dot csv dataset. So there will be a name Arun, Shubham, Mukesh, Kanha, Nandan and Raju, 6 records, and right dataset have 3 records: Arun, Shubham, Mukesh. So and output will be Arun, Shubham, Mukesh, and also column name, address, salary. So 3 columns from the lab dataset only returning. Done. Also I have given you a link on a description, my medium link, and if you want to see left anti-join, then also I will provide you a link for the left anti-join YouTube video you can watch. So thanks for watching. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.